Hello friends! This tutorial shows how to insert linked Microsoft Word tables into PowerPoint slides. Once inserted, you can update the linked table in PowerPoint when the data changes in Word. I'll be using Word for Microsoft 365. These steps also apply to the recent non-subscription versions of the software. These steps don't apply to Word for Mac, Word for the web, or Word for mobile. It's important to note that the linked Word table will only update in PowerPoint if both files are in their original storage location when the link is created. Therefore, if you need to email the PowerPoint file to someone else, one solution is to save both the Word and PowerPoint files in cloud storage before creating the link. Then email a link to the PowerPoint file from the cloud storage rather than attaching the file itself. To begin, hover your cursor over the table in Microsoft Word until the small square handle with crossed arrows appears in the top left corner. Select that handle to select the entire table. Next, right-click the table and then select Copy from the shortcut menu. Or if you prefer keyboard shortcuts, press Ctrl+C after selecting the table. Now, open PowerPoint to the slide where you want to insert the table, and then select the Home tab, followed by the Paste menu arrow, and Paste Special from the drop-down menu. When the Paste Special dialog box appears, select the Paste Link Radio button, and then select Microsoft Word Document Object in the As text box. Also ensure that Display as Icon is not checked. If this option is checked, the Word icon will be inserted into your slide instead of the table. Lastly, select the OK button. The Word table should be inserted into your PowerPoint slide. And you can use the border handles to resize the table as necessary. You can also hover your cursor over the table until your cursor becomes a movement cursor, which is 2 crossed arrows. And then drag the table to a new location on the slide. Before we move on, note that you can open the table in the original Microsoft Word document by right-clicking it and then selecting Linked Document Object in the shortcut menu, followed by Open in the submenu. The linked Word table in PowerPoint should update automatically to match any changes in the original Word document. However, if it doesn't, you can update it manually by right-clicking it and then selecting Update Link in the shortcut menu. All the steps we just performed are listed with images on my website at erinwritewriting.com, which is linked in the description box below along with my complete playlist, How to Use Microsoft Word. Feel free to leave me a comment if there's a specific topic that you'd like me to cover in the future. And please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss upcoming tutorials, and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Thank you so much for watching.